Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you how to do the compare sources, or how to compare a few journals in one subject area. Okay, so you go to SCOPUS first, okay, and click on off-campus login via Open Athens here, right? And next, you'll get this screen. Scroll down here and click on SCOPUS. Okay. Alright, next is you'll be given this screen. On top here, click on compare sources. Okay, so let's say you want to compare, you actually can compare up to 10 sources in one particular subject. Okay, so let's say now you want to compare, I have 3 titles, okay, to compare in the field of archaeology, in the subject area of archaeology. So I have these journals. Okay, and click search, and you'll be given these journals will appear down here. So click on that journals and it will add in the form of graph on your right side. Okay, and next just add another journal title. Okay, and now when it's appear, just click on the title. So now you have 2 titles of the journals in the graph. And now I want to compare one more journal. Okay, so I will add this into the graph, right? So now I have 3 journals in the area of archaeology where I can do the comparison. Okay, you may view this chart also in the form of table. Okay, so in table, it will show you the site score of the journals by year like this. Okay, so you may view the site score. Okay, if in the form of chart, then you may view like this. Okay, so if you look at this chart, the Journal of Quaternary Science Reviews perform the most best journals in these 3 journals when you compare. Okay, and scroll down, you may also view by all this category. Okay, let's say by citations. Okay, so it will show you. Okay, Quaternary Science Review also received more citation compare with these 2 journals. Okay, where it is increasing until 2019 and decreasing, okay, towards 2020. Okay, and scroll down again, you may also view by year, percent not cited by year, percentage review articles by year. Okay, and also by SJR and SNIP. Okay, so from the results that you get, okay, from the comparison, it helps you to decide which journal that you may proceed to submit your articles. Okay, that's all from me. I hope that this sharing is benefit to you all. Thank you.